Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a little bit texture to macaron shells. This is very simple trick I'm sharing with you, and I know you're going to like it because this ingredient you can find in every pantry. What I like about this specific trick that it works with any macaron shells. It doesn't matter if you use French, Italian or Swiss meringue to make macaron shells, it will work for every method you make macaron shells. Even if you're using no rest method, it will work. All you have to do just make macaronage and pipe macaron shells on a baking mat. After that, tap the baking mat with the baking sheet a few times on the countertop. And if you have any air bubbles, use a toothpick to remove those bubbles. And then use the secret ingredient. It's white granulated sugar. Yes, it's the same sugar you were using to make meringue. All you have to do, just sprinkle on top of the macaron shells. I would not recommend to put too much, just a little white sugar. It will add this texture for your macaron shells. And I have to tell you, this white granulated sugar will not melt after baking. It doesn't matter if you're using gas oven or electric oven or convention oven. It doesn't matter. The white sugar will not melt after baking. Just like this, as you see in the video, sprinkle macaron shells. And if you're using no rest method, you will pop in the oven and bake. Or if you're using a rest method, just the dry macaron shells for 15-20 minutes, depending on your environment, on the countertop, and then bake. I hope you like it. I will also link the recipe for cranberry macaron shells, where I use white sugar to add texture for macaron shells. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know, what do you think? Would you like to try this method to add a little bit texture for your macaron shells? I would love to see your creations. Happy baking!